life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
This is like the fourth vlog, so today I'm going to be going with Sin, so she's come back again. Today's gonna be a fun day. So today is, I think today is day 4, and today we're going to be going, well, today is vlog 4. I'm not actually in Austin for 4 days, but today is a vlog 4, and we're going to be going to this cute Parisian cafe, and it's like a French type of cafe, and we're going to be having breakfast there, and then, you know, I think that will be it. No, we have more, but that's probably going to be in vlog 5, because I like to split them up. So I'm dressed very, you know, Frenchy. But yeah, that's where we're going to be going. So I'm going into the bathroom to do my eyebrows and get ready for the day. So slippers, dolls. These are my cute house slippers. Oh my god, I love these towels. Look at these towels. I love them. I can't get over them. I haven't even used them. Maybe I'll use it on the last day, just to say I used it. I've not used it because I love the aesthetic. I wanted to say like that. Look at all the hair on the floor. My hair is shedding. Look, look. It's so gross, but I do like my slippers, and I'm going to link it down below. If you want information on my slippers, it will be on my Amazon link. I love them. They're so comfortable. So comfortable. They're little house slippers. But yeah, to put on makeup, we're probably going to... No, we are, because she's not been before. But we're going to be going to that cafe again, the Revival Coffee. Revival Coffee is owned by Gabriella here in Austin, Texas. She's a boss woman. She owns 3 restaurants here, and they all do like the... I'm going to include pictures in this video, but she does like this Louis Vuitton, Gucci and Chanel drinks and wrapping paper. So yesterday they were sold out on the wrapping paper when we went to Taqueria Mucho. Yeah, I said it right. You have to say it in a Spanish accent. In Taqueria Mucho. Taqueria Mucho. So when we went to Taqueria Mucho, which is the one with the flowers and the pink telephone booth, they were sold out. That's why I came to Austin for the LV wrapping paper. So let me get my makeup done, dolls. But yeah, this is more of my outfit. As you can see, it's very bougie. I'm going to put a headband on and complete it. But let me hurry up and get dressed. If not, this vlog will go on for too long. This is my look for today. We're going to a French cafe. I'm going to go now and pick Sin up. I'm actually going to take off this headband that I have on because I don't want to walk through the hotel looking this is my outfit. You've probably seen it on my YouTube videos before. And wait, let me show you my cute handbag. I added this little strap on here, but here it is. It's just so cute. I bought this strap off Amazon. I'll have it linked if you want it. But I got this bag on my birthday. It carries all I need. It's so bougie, and I've been taking it with me everywhere because it just matches everywhere I'm going really nicely, and it just matches this trip. This is the pink bag, the pink bougie bag of this trip is this bag. So this is what I'm taking with me. It matches my outfit perfectly. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go and pick Sin from from the airport, from her apartment. She's such a good friend. She actually lives here in Austin, and something caught my eye behind. She's actually lives here in Austin, so she's new to Austin. So this is like a fun tour for her, like touring Austin. We're having so much fun hanging out. But she's such a good friend, she decided to wash my clothes in her apartment, because we're going to be going back to that coffee shop. If you watch my other vlog, I forgot what vlog it was, but one of the vlogs on this trip, when we went to Revival Coffee, the cute pink coffee shop. Oh my god, there's hair in my eyes. She washed, she wasn't able to go with me because she was unwell, so she decided we're going to go there again, because I definitely want her to experience what I experienced yesterday. So she decided to wash my clothes, so I'm going to re-wear it, and it's going to look like we went there on the same day, but I'm actually wearing the same outfit and going there again. So today, just for her, I want to go there for her so she could experience it with me and we could take pictures together. So we're going to come back to the hotel and change out this outfit after we go to our little French coffee shop, which I'm running late, so I must go. So I'll see you when I pick up Sin so you can see her outfit. I actually have a headband for her, so she's going to wear that, and yeah, I'll see you dolls at the coffee shop. Let me go now. I can't do any French without some Mademoiselle perfume on. Forget the messy background. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be wearing. That's the scent I'm wearing, so I'm going to put it on right here. I don't want to like show her outfit until we get to where we're going, because I don't want to film her where she lives on YouTube. One, it's disrespectful. Two, for her safety. So I'm just going to wait for her to come in the car, and when we get to our destination, you'll see her outfit then. But she's about to come in. I'm waiting for her right now. So you can't see where she lives because you can't see the background. I just want to keep my friend safe, basically. Hi. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous in here. Wow. It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Thank you. And it's like it's perfect for us.
I like how you're recording and I'm looking.
Yeah. Stunning. Can't wait to eat. I know, right? And they're really nice here, by the way. You dolls need to check out Rochelle. That's the name of it. It's just so gorgeous and so French, so bougie. I love it. I love just everything about it. So we're about to start eating. Our order just came. Coffee, it's so gorgeous. So I got the caramel. Which one did I get?
Yes, caramel coffee.
Wow, look at everything. cute. I love it, dolls. I really love it in here. The whole aesthetic is so cute. Love my coffee. I'm gonna try it, and then just the whole setting is so cute. Can't wait to eat. I know they're actually real roses. Oh my goodness. I love the music too. It's cute. It's so cute. We love it here. So good. Here is Sin. I think you guys have seen her outfit.
Yes.
Yeah.
The white shirt with jeans.
With jeans. And I lost my jeans. If not, would have been matching somehow.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just having fun, having coffee, and I love it. Like I love it in Austin. Like she probably thinks I should move here, and I think she should move to Houston.
Yes.
So
I love Houston too, though. So.
Yeah. So we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our time here. It's been really, really fun in here, by the way. We have a lot more to do today, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So probably catch us in part 1,000 because there's so many vlogs I have coming up. So yeah, let's just continue.
Let's continue.
In here, dolls. It's so pretty.
Okay. Let's go into the
Enjoying the
Walgreens
coffee.
one.
So pretty.
Okay, let me write that down because I just
So
moved to
good.
Austin, so.
And Sin traded headbands, and I think our headbands match our outfits better.
Yes.
Like her one has the pearls, so it matches the white, and I have like the pink, and it matches the pink.
The pink.
I mean, this is still pink, but the pearls stand out more.
Yeah, that one was hurting my head too.
And yeah, so I think this one it looks better on your head than
Yes,
it does
yeah.
on mine. So we finally met. Bumblebee affair. It works. A week ago, we literally matched on Bumble a week ago.
Yes, literally.
And now she's here. Like I never
Thank
thought
you,
we'd actually
Bumble.
meet.
Sponsor
Yeah,
us.
sponsor this video, Bumble. And now we're doing bougie things in bougie places.
Yes.
It's the best, right?
Yes,
Love it.
2 hours later.
Check-in, dolls. We are back at Revival Coffee. It's this pink coffee place. And I love it here. I'm back with Sing because she couldn't make it last time. She was not well. Now she's feeling 100%. I forgot to check in. We enjoyed that last place we were, Rosalie's. And we're now at Revival Coffee. So can't wait to show them what we have. The coffee that I got. I got an iced coffee. They were so kind to give me a to-go coffee cup. I think it's so cute. It looks cute against my bag and with my nails. And Sin, say hi, Sin. Sin got we changed outfits as you can see too. Sin got we're gonna share fried donut.
Yes.
And then, because we ate a lot of sweet stuff, so And then, but she got a mimosa. Look at that, dolls.
Yes.
She got a whole mimosa. So here's the fake coffee for the cup, for the aesthetics, and then there is the iced coffee, and it looks so good. Love it. This is such a mood, and we got the fried donut as well. So we're just going to split that in half. Did I tell them we're going to split this in half? I don't know. We're going to split this in half. You have to try this and tell me what you think. And then I don't even know what this is, but it's just so cute. An iced coffee. So cute. And everything about here is just so aesthetically pleasing, so I can't wait to try it. So I said dame. I said dame mascarpone. It's a fun day. Now we're going to be going somewhere else, and that's going to be in the next vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Sin, do you want to end the vlog?
Yes. Hi. We had such a great time. It was so much fun.
French cafe.
French cafe, and then we went to Revival. Gabriella, fabulous.
Her first time at Revival.
Yes.
And she enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching, dolls. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, give it a big fat thumbs up. Stay tuned for my next vlog. We're going to be going to Griselda's. Am I saying that right?
Yeah,
Griselda's. And we're going to be, it's another pink place, of course, because everything is girly in this vlog. Everything is just extra. We're extra.
Very extra.
So I mean, we're in a pink car, so so we're going to be going there. We're going to go and change at the hotel. So stay tuned for that one. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Like hit it. Like hit the camera.
Bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm when you come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think I'm la-lang, boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. And I think I'm la-lang, boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, life, and I think I'm if I could take you up in boom, 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 shaboom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I think I'm when you come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so